Hi guys, Julie coming to you from our Beachside renovation, and it's such a nice feeling to have everything just cleaned up. So it's still a blank slate. Got the roller shutters down at the moment, so it's a little bit dark, but we've got some clear sheeting put in that patio roof just outside the window here and just over by the fence, and what a difference that has made to the lightness in this house. Obviously getting rid of the black slate on the floor has made a huge difference as well, but the light factor from over there is just so nice. Very, very pleased about that. Master bedroom, not much has happened, but we've just had our delivery of the floor tiles and the wall hung vanity for the ensuite, so that's a little bit exciting. We'll be getting our wall tile delivery next week, so hopefully things will start happening in here. We've taken down the ceiling in here with the hope of getting the new ceiling on a pitch to try and raise that ceiling height, because it was very low, much lower than you would normally have, and it's being such a tiny ensuite, it just didn't work. This space here now with the fireplace gone and the brick wall here with the oven and pantry gone, it's just opened it right up. Obviously this will be closed in again soon with the kitchen, but it'll be a nice white gloss kitchen overlooking a really nice patio area. So we're starting to get some light and hope into this house so we can start to visualise what's going on. Just a nice clean slate of the second bedroom. The laundry, we've had to do a little bit of electrical. You can see here there was a light switch, but because there's no linen cupboard in this house, we'll be putting some, tall cabinetry in there. So the light switch would have been in the way, so we've had to pay a bit extra to get it out here, but I think it'll be worth it in order to get that storage space. We'll be doing the bathroom the same as the ensuite with the nice sort of muted terrazzo tile, floor tiles and the white matte wall tiles. We've got a new bath going in and a new vanity, so that'll just be nice and bright and functional. So once again, we've just got just a clean slate. We've had the rat trap or the rat poison in the roof, and we've had like a rat falling out of this hole up here before it got patched, and quite a few rat carcasses around the property, which hasn't been a lot of fun. So it's very exciting to see this place now actually clean with some of our nice new stuff coming in. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I'll give you an update once we start putting in some more exciting fixtures so that you can start to see some prettiness. But in the meantime, this is how it's looking, and I'm really enjoying the progress. Until next time, see you.